Hey everybody, thanks for following along on another walkthrough video. We just unwrapped this beautiful 2025 Barletta Lusso UC. This is a 25-foot boat. We went with the blackout package on the rails, black sweep with the white accent. This boat is powered by a 400 horsepower Mercury engine, extended rear platforms on each side of the engine, rear lounge layout that can be converted in different ways. This has the power folding arch and the power retracting and folding bimini, making it effortless to get some shade away from the sun. Coming in, we have the co-captain setup and the standard pop-up table. A beautiful captain's helm with the DTS throttle, digital shifting, Simrad touchscreen, and we went with the linen base with the charcoal accent. Look at this beautiful stitching. Thanks for following along, guys. Once again, 2025 Barletta Lusso 25 UC here in Nisswa.